Alright, so here we go. Danny's gonna do his stuff again. So, oh, I guess we got Johnny, Cook, and old Mr. Boney. Alright, we can work with this. First we should farm some, damn it, knowledge, like this. And I better get some, unlock tools. Ugh. Oh my god, juicy proficiency. Okay. As a build, I'm going with run track, highly skilled and fast hands. Let me crack this open. Oh, fast hands are working. Seems like grandpa's up here. Oh, it stopped. Oh. Okay, like this. I better get some new unlock tools. Yeah, that's it. Oh god damn it. No, Johnny. Ignore me. I haven't been here. Okay. Just come in, don't mind me. Oh, damn it. I better climb here. Like this. Please, Valve, be here. Damn it. Valve handle isn't here. I have to act a little bit stealthy because we have a cook and he's hearing. Oh! Oh. Well, I guess. Okay. Bones went somewhere to the battery. That means I can work with the generator. Close behind me. Let's go. So, wait, who's behind me? Let me crack this open. Oh, Google security pins. This is not well. Come on. I aimed too far. Ah! No! Hey, old man! Let me live. Ankles! Oh shit. I better well. Please, don't be recovering. Don't be well. This is alright. Hope the Johnny left the basement. Those heals. I'll feel a bit. Okay, let's continue. Okay, another heals. You should do. Thank you. Another one. Nice. Okay, well. I should use this. Like this. Well, there should be knowledge, yes. I still have a kind of low knowledge. Oh, I should go out of the basement. Stealth. Well. Chicken. Just passing, don't mind me. Okay. I hear Johnny. Let me get this.
I think they're gone. But I know they'll be back.
Oh, Johnny, don't mind me. Don't mind me, Johnny. Don't mind me. Hope he doesn't found you. Oh god damn it. Did he found him? Oh god damn it. God damn it. Ah! Let me go. God damn it. I should get here. Oh, oh, that hurt. Hobby isn't coming for me because I guess this one is locked. Yeah, I have to do this. OMG. Is he coming for me? Wait. What? He didn't come for me? Well. Better get those. Okay, all victims alive. This seems good. Let's barge this. Oh, yes, this is what I need. Oh, god damn it. The grandpa is on level 2 already. Better stay stealthy. I don't want any trouble. Well, let's go. Don't mind me. You're here. Okay, here's the valve. I can work with this. Wait. Anna and Leland are doing some stuff here.
That's my sweet God. These people are just freaks.
Bones is coming for them. I guess they're both coming for him.
Alright, I got this. I'm good.
I better crack those. Ah, here we go. And now I gotta lockpick this. Like this. Boom. Is someone coming for me?
It's quiet.
Should look like not.
Be careful.
Let me check. Oh, cook. Ankles. Oh, god damn it. I guess I'm out of here.